Hello, everybody. Welcome to my presentation about myself. I'm just going to go over a few things. My name is Jordan Robinson. Here's a picture of myself and a picture of my wife. This was taken um, a little while ago. It was a fun shoot, really cold. Let's see, let's see if I can skip. There we go. Okay, so a little bit about me. Here's my little family. Just another picture of myself and my wife. And this is our lovely puppy Lemon. We've had her for about a month. She's a handful, but she's a lot of fun. So I am originally from Brigham City, Utah. It's a small city in northern Utah. I am currently living in Clearfield, Utah. My wife and I bought a home about a month ago as well in Clearfield, so that's been a lot of work and it's been a lot of fun. Like I said, my family consists of my wife. Her name is McKady, like McKady Hospital, and my puppy Lemon. I am a sophomore right now in college. I will graduate with my associate's degree this semester in applied health, and then I will continue on to get my bachelor's degree in my undergrad, most likely in biology, maybe in criminology. I'm not quite sure yet, and I plan on becoming a physician's assistant. I love hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, really anything outdoors. And I also love to watch sports, basketball, football, wrestling. And I also love to listen to music. So this is my favorite scripture. It's found in Mosiah 7, verse 33. I'll just read it to you guys. But if you will turn to the Lord with full purpose of heart, and put your trust in him, and serve him with all diligence of mind, if you do this, he will, according to his own will and pleasure, deliver you out of bondage. So this is just a scripture that I found on my mission. I was going through kind of a tough time, and I found this scripture, and it just really brought a lot of comfort to me, and it's been one of my favorites ever since. Just kind of helped me to always stay positive and always remember the Lord. So I've taken, I want to say, two or three previous public health classes. Mainly, they've just highlighted the different public health models and the different aspects of each model, kind of focused on, you know, target population, stuff like that. Some of my goals, um, while I'm continuing going to college, I plan on getting my EMT and then becoming a paramedic and hopefully becoming a flight paramedic. It's kind of my challenge to myself. Obviously, physician assistant, and I'm kind of looking at becoming a physician assistant in either neonatology, pediatrics, anesthesiology, or orthopedics. Those are kind of my four main areas of interest. This class, I'm hoping to obviously gain more knowledge, just learn about more in-depth public health models, community health models in specific, and just better ways to, I guess, organize for certain target populations. Um, Different experiences as well. I think each professor brings, a unique aspect and a unique perspective to the class. And then I'm also looking to expand my network just with um, the individuals in this class. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you all liked it, and I'm excited to work with you all and learn more. Thank you.